Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the end of week 2 keto and I'm really excited to share my results with you all. Today I've got a little notepad with me here to help me sort of not forget to what I need to talk about. So straight to the point, how did I feel this week on keto? To be honest, the past few times that I have done keto, it has been really challenging. Like seeing people around me eat all these carby, yummy foods and having to cook like two to three different things, like one for myself, one for hubby, and then something that my little one likes because he is still a little bit of a picky eater. So in the past when I've done keto, it's been extremely challenging. This time around, however, week 2, I already feel great. Like I don't think I had any cravings except for one day when I just felt like having some sugar, some sugary sweets, and I don't normally crave for sugar, to be honest. I much rather eat like something savory. So yeah, other than that, I felt really great. And the really cool thing was that as I was starting my week 2, hubby surprised me with a really cool gadget. I'm just gonna put the video on now. Here is my gift, anniversary gift that I really needed, and then he couldn't keep a secret, so
No, I wanted to keep a secret, but he just wanted to buy it before I could
yeah, actually
give it
no,
to
he
you.
was really good. He ordered it, and then I was like, hey Ryan, I need a Fitbit, and he's like, make sure you don't buy one. And I'm like, why? He goes, because I bought you one, it's coming by mail. So this is an unusual color, band
Mm,
color, but I reckon I'll pull it off. What do you think?
you will pull it off. I don't want to get you black because it's too guyish and white is too flat.
Yeah, you're right. So I need some color in my
I don't want to
hair.
get you pink
No,
because that
I
will be too
actually didn't
girly.
want pink. I was probably gonna go for like a white one for some reason.
No, white will not have looked good. Um,
All right, you're gonna put it on me too?
let's see. First, I think you have to charge it.
Well, it's
But
cute. It's not bulky.
it's not bulky.
Hey, let me put this on hold.
How do you take this off?
So, as you guys saw, I got a new Fitbit, and this is honestly so helpful. I have had a Fitbit for years and years, and then I lost it, I think probably about a couple months ago. And ever since then, I haven't really been able to track my activity, how much I've been walking. So it did kind of make me a little bit lazy when it came to walking and keeping active. So yeah, when I found out that he's already bought me a Fitbit, I was so excited because I had been thinking of ordering myself another one. I know that it's not like super cool and super fancy with all these functions, but it works for me. I think that's all I need. I need to know the steps, the calories, kilometers, time, my heart rate. That's it. Like basic functions. That's all I need. So this was late, like 2 days late anniversary gift, 7th year wedding anniversary gift. And I did kind of feel bad because I got him nothing. But then again, we have that mutual understanding that we don't really need to buy each other gifts for every occasion. Like we really don't need to. Sometimes we do. I mean, most of the time we do. If we've had a chance to go shopping, if we've had a chance to sort of think about doing something really special, then of course we'll do it. Otherwise, like throughout the year, we spoil each other, we get things for each other all the time. So yeah, it's not like, oh, it's my birthday and you have to have me a gift on this day. Like you have to do something extremely special. We're not like that. Like we don't have that sort of a relationship. We're really cool with each other. We know how we feel about each other, and material, getting things for a special occasion is not really going to change how I feel about him and how he feels about me. Yeah, it's really nice to get spoiled, but we do that for each other. Anyway, so yeah, next point, what I ate in week 2. I didn't do a really clean keto week 2 diet, to be honest. The first few days were quite good, but then after that I got a little bit carried away, and I'll explain what I mean by carried away. So you could see that last week, if you want to see my video from last week, click above. So you can see that last week I had lots of vegetables, avocados, and protein. So, you know, like it was good fats that I was having. This week I had, this is what I had, okay? On 3 occasions, I had melted cheese. So I melted cheese in a pan with some coconut oil, got it really crispy, and then added, I can't remember from now, but I think I added an egg and pepperoni, beef pepperoni, and I had that with some sauce. So that was one of them. The next time I had the same thing, like cheese, a crispy cheese base, and then shredded chicken with mashed avocado and sour cream. That was quite tasty, except I let the cheese base crisp too much and like cook too much, that it almost didn't taste like cheese. It just didn't taste great. So that's the other one I had. And I also made the yummiest keto pizza on the planet, honestly. It was shredded chicken with 1 egg and like a handful of cheese mixed together in the oven, baked for about 10 minutes, took it out, and then added some beef pepperoni with a tiny bit of reduced salt, reduced sugar, tomato sauce because I didn't have anything else. Topped it up with mushrooms, capsicum, and very small amount of onions, and it tasted divine. Let me show you the videos now. Day 13 today, and this is what I'm having for dinner. I'm really, really excited to eat this, especially because the crust here has almost no carbs. Right, so you could see how good it looked. It tasted even better. I would highly recommend that you do make it. I am going to put down the link for this pizza down below. I also made, to satisfy those sugar cravings, I also made, it's called a Snickerdoodle keto cookie. I made some of those as well on the same night. Okay, on the same night. I just wanted pizza, I just wanted sweets. So I'm also putting the links for that down below. Here is a little video of the cookies. These are fresh out of the oven. And they look quite yummy. I did overcook them a little bit, forgot about them, to be honest. I haven't tasted them yet, but they look very moist and fluffy. That is really tasty. A little tip: if you don't feel like sugar, if you don't feel like you need to have it, don't have it, and do not make the Snickerdoodle keto cookies, because I just found out while I was getting the link for you guys, I found out that it actually has 4 grams of carbs per cookie. That's a lot. 4 grams is a lot. Like, I try and make each meal of mine about 4 to 5 grams of carbs, and this was like 4 grams of carbs per cookie. I don't think I'm going to have any more of them anymore unless I really, really, really have to. I've only eaten about 1.5 of them, you know, so far, so that's good. I'm going to try and have my little one eat them all because he does really love them. He's having some of the cookies, the half that I didn't eat. Yummy cookie? 1 second, Johnny. Is it yummy sort of, John? Also had, so I meal prepped for 3 days only. Unlike last week where I meal prepped for 5 days, I only did about 3 days this week because I didn't want to get bored of the food, and I didn't want to force myself to eat those meal preps because otherwise they're going to go bad. So for 3 days I made some stir-fry noodles and vegetables using konjac noodles. I also made some Thai red curry with konjac rice. So they were nice, to be honest. The stir fry was not very good. It was just tasteless, but I did really enjoy the chicken curry. So yeah, I'm just gonna put the pictures of those konjac noodles and konjac spaghetti, which can be found, I believe, in Coles and Woolworths health section. They have no carbs. They've got no carbs. They have about 10 calories per serving. They fill you up real well. Like, I didn't feel hungry when I would have those meals. They really, really filled me up. The only thing is, just be careful. Like, if you are going to eat those foods, those konjac rice, konjac spaghetti, make sure that you have some really healthy, nutritious, filling vegetables or protein on the side. I did also go out with hubby for a little brunch at the beginning of the week, and we just really wanted some eggs Benedict for brunch. We really missed it. So what we did was I went to Aldi and I bought this very low carb bread. I think from what I can remember, per slice it's got about 2 grams of carbs. There were 2 slices of bread. I only had one of the slice and I gave the other one to hubby. I was like, I just don't want to risk it in case it, it has too many carbs. So I still didn't trust it. I don't know why, even though the back did say that it got about 2.5 grams of carbs. So I still didn't want to risk it. So yeah, that was that. And what else have I been doing? No exercise. Sorry guys, I do feel embarrassed for saying that. I haven't done any exercise. I just haven't had the chance. School work has been really busy. Let's go to the main bit. Let's go to how much we lost this week. Okay, 61.6, not too bad. I guess it's gonna be slow weight loss from here on because I don't know. Normally when I reach that stage, it gets really, really slow. Not too impressed. I don't know. I haven't seen a huge difference. So chest area, I have lost 1 centimeter. That's where I didn't want to lose anything. Arm, it's the same, 29 centimeter. Waist, also the same, 75 centimeters. A hip is also the same, 90 centimeters. And my thighs, I have lost 2 centimeters on. So it is now 58 centimeters. We have got another 14 days to go. Oh, let's go check our ketos. As you could see, I did not lose a whole lot that I was expecting. It has been quite slow, but that's fine. I don't care. As long as I am losing something, as long as I'm losing some fat, it's fine. I do feel a whole lot better already in terms of like there's no bloating. I feel lighter, I feel energetic, and that's what I want, as well as some loss in fat. So yeah, I mean, we've got 2 weeks to go. I have a good feeling. I reckon we're gonna smash it out, and yeah, good feelings. Anyway, I will see you guys on my next video next week, week 3. and I will be incorporating some exercise routine there as well. So please do come and watch how I go with my week 3. Please give this video a thumbs up, give it a little comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.